Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Facetime and iMessage. Your carrier may charge for SMS message used to activate Facetime and iMessage. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. First of all guys, let me tell you that when you try to enable or disable Facetime and iMessage and it's showing that your carrier message may charge for SMS, then I'll show you how can you fix it. Just simply you have to close this page. Now first of all you have to open the settings. So from here guys, just simply have to go to cellular data. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to select your cellular mobile data as automatic. Once it's done for you, so from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it down a bit, tap on general. So from here you have to scroll it down and just simply have to correct your date and time. Just simply have to correct the date and time and just simply have to go back. From here guys, you have to close this page. Once it's done for you guys, just simply have to open the settings. So let me open the settings. Now I'm going to open the settings. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it down a bit and just simply have to locate for the message. From here guys, just simply have to turn off iMessage for 30 or 40 seconds, then turn it on again. Now from here you have to scroll it down and just simply you have to turn on send as SMS. Okay guys, just simply have to turn this on. So after turning it on guys, what you need to do is just simply have to go back. Now just simply have to open the FaceTime and just simply have to turn on the FaceTime and then turn it on again. So let me tell you that you can also use your phone number instead of your Apple ID. Okay guys, and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then there is maybe network problem. So you have to open the settings, scroll it down, tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on transfer or reset, tap on reset. From here you have to reset the network setting. So just simply have to reset your network setting, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.